This is body camera footage from an incident involving Officer Elizondo of the San Diego Police Department. The video begins as Officer Elizondo recognizes a suspect with an outstanding felony warrant and attempts to make contact. When the suspect runs, the officer pursues on foot and deploys his taser, resulting in a serious fall that left the suspect with significant injuries. Later in the video, an exchange unfolds between Officer Elizondo and a supervising officer as they argue on and off at the scene.
Hey, stop. Stop.
That's the wrong dude.
Stop.
I'm telling you, you got the wrong dude.
Relax.
Don't detain me.
Relax.
You got the wrong dude. Bro.
Relax.
No, relax, please.
Let me get another unit car. Cover down for pursuit. We're going to go eastbound on University in North Brookline. Stop. Taser deployed. Stop. Turn around. Oh. Give me fucking hands. Give me your fucking hand. Oh my God. What? That's it. In the middle of the street, we're taking an SIC just east of Winona. Sorry. Yes, sir. Code 4 SIC. Just give me a turn after the taser. Oh, fuck. That's hurt. Hold on. You want to go slowly past, you can. Okay. You alright? You okay? You alright? Huh? Just confirm we have another unit in or out? Alright, we're going to be in the middle of the street here, so let's have the next unit real quick. I got an ambulance for you. You okay? I don't know why you ran from me, bro. You got a warrant. Here, roll over. Come here. Go on your side. Huh? There's more people coming, alright? Huh? You're fine. Huh? What? Just make sure my car is secure. It's going to be in the...
Let's get him out of the road so we can get traffic cleared so you're not blocking traffic all the way back to alcohol. Hey, we're going to roll you over. You're going to stand up. You understand? All right, stand up. Let's go. Tuck your feet under you and stand up. Okay, let's go. Over here. Have a seat right here on the edge of the curb. Watch him.
What do?
Now we're good for it. Thanks.
Climb it. Please.
Stop moving over. Lean that way. Lean that way. Lean that way.
Climb it.
He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall over. Sit him down in the recovery position on the
Hey, can
sidewalk.
you just make sure my car is secured? One again?
Let's take care of traffic first, then we'll deal with your car. Okay, go get your car.
I'll stay with him. Just make sure it's secure.
I'll stay with him.
I'm staying with him. I'm not telling you what. Just they'll go down and do it.
You know where your car is. Go secure your car. He's fine with me. There's nothing that you're gonna do. There's nothing that you're gonna do that I'm not gonna do. I will make sure he's okay. You are arguing with me. I'm telling you to go back to your car and secure it wherever it is. I don't know where it is. So go secure it.
It's right there. When you go secure it, I'm not leaving it.
I'm gonna stand by with him.
I'm not leaving him, so I'm telling you just go secure it.
Okay, Elizondo. Good to go. You got a lot to learn about being a cop.
So do you.
A lot.
I'm just asking you to go secure it. I'm gonna stay with him. Coach, can you go secure my car, please? It's right there in front of the taco shop. Yes. It should be locked, but just make sure. Thank you. That's being a good part. You're good, man. I'm good here. You go in.
I'll hang out. This is the 20s.
That's fine. I don't
I'm the 20s supervisor, so I'll stay here. I got it.
Okay.
It's 20s.
Hey, Sarge, can I talk to you for a second? Sure.
What's up, fellas? Obviously a taser. What's that?
Is he faking?
I mean, he's just been tased.
Right.
How's that? Anything other than tased or what?
No, just him.
Yeah, he's just been tased.
Barbs look like they're in his gut or something.
There's one in his back.
Any chance we get the cuffs off him? Please? Just so we can set him up, and he's like, hey, hold on, we're gonna try to get the cuffs off so we can set him up. Was he excited delirium, or what's?
He was a foot person, so I mean, he ran
Oh,
after
okay,
me, so.
okay,
He's under arrest, though, just so you know.
okay. That's fine. I just want to make sure that set him up, try to get him breathing, and see what's going on there.
Thank you so much.
So get a better look. He's breathing right now. Hey! You want to see what he's responsive to? He's not responsive. Yeah, he's responsive.
Alright, so set him up. Lean him up against that black wall a little bit.
He's got a bar on his back. Can you go come on the monitor? Hey! Can you get a sugar on him? Got him?
I might be able to.
I gotta go get the truck.
Hold on, I can throw it in the back of my car. Yeah, I can take him to animal.
He has a dog?
His dog's over there. And then I can pick up Elizondo from the hospital.
Yeah, he's got to get his car. I know he's going. We just kind of. Why don't we
What?
We're kind of tight for you.
Yeah, a little bit.
-9.
It's a mere 9. It's not even half.
You'll grab the drug box? Yes. So we'll pull him out, put him in there. In the meantime,
Guess I didn't even coffee today.
Now, just remember, they're like sharps.
yeah.
You did or you didn't?
I did not.
But you regret this decision.
No, I mean, because I'm up now.
Oh, because you're up now.
Yeah, you might have to pinch
Friday,
it
come on, I gotta do this
certain way.
Yeah.
Bar.
The top people
Can
say.
you,
He is coming.
Taco people aren't willing to keep it, are they?
I can't hear you.
yeah.
Taco people aren't willing to keep it, are they?
Against that black wall. He's fine.
I mean, they came up to me and told me.
Okay.
No, just back up and go back into traffic.
I'll back up for you, okay?
You got it? Easy day.
Let's show.
Okay, what do you want? What do you want?
I want you to sit still.
Okay.
We're gonna pull the barbs out. There's no more barbs in you, okay?
Go ahead, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. 1, 2, 3. Just relax. Relax.
Hey,
You're done. You're done. That's it.
Okay.
Now let's see. I want you to turn around and sit up against this block wall. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Slide back a little bit. Slide back a foot. Don't try to go nowhere.
do you
Good.
have pain anywhere right now, Bob?
Oh, my head.
In your head? Just right there? Do you have pain anywhere else? Hitting out pretty hard? Do you have any medical problems?
I got here sometime you guys got
Oh,
No?
I've been. What?
Just
I've
relax.
been.
You have
Check out your vital signs.
Oh.
You're under arrest.
you
KPD's
should be able to
got
down.
custody of you. Just relax.
Hey, see this hand. We're gonna help us sit down there when we get situated. Okay, you want vital signs now or do you want on the gurney? We can hold off because you're ready on the monitor. Can you get it closer? Get it closer? Yeah. No vitals yet?
No.
Yet.
Foot pursuit and you got tased.
life easier.
Flip a shoe or where?
Hey, we're gonna stand you up, okay? We're gonna stand you up, put you on a gurney, okay? You ready? You gotta help us. Yeah? There you go. Can't build my partner.
Turn.
I'm picking you up.
There you go. Go ahead and lean back.
That's 2 barbs. Wait.
He has head pain. He has a bit of aside from running, which he can out of it.
You have to ask him. I don't know. Eric, other than running from you, combative. Other than running from you?
I'll never
But then he
And
we were signed on it at all.
why did you get hard?
Because they were in a foot pursuit.
Eric,
You're in the green and not.
Eric, give me a second there. I don't know what your problem with me is. No, I don't. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't have a problem saying in public.
This has nothing to do with the case. And that's
It does. It has everything to do with the case before we leave here. So I don't know what your problem. What's that?
You have a problem, talk to the actual sergeant.
Hey,
I'm
Eric,
not gonna talk to you on camera.
come talk to me. Be a man. Turn around. And have a conversation with me. Stop walking away.
If you want to talk to the camera,
I don't
talk off.
I don't know what your problem is with me.
Okay.
But
I'm not going to talk to you on camera.
I am gonna have to handle this use of force.
How old are
Just tell me
How
what
old
to
are
stop
He's
with
going to say,
for.
kid, stop. Here, what? Okay, so here's the deal. So you don't just deal with that. We're going to deal with this later. Let's deal with this later. Let's take it. We're going to deal with that later tonight. We're going to hash it out tonight. So we can get this.
There's nothing to hash out.
I don't know what I have no idea what
It's a done deal.
I know what's the deal. What's why he's so frustrated.
I don't know what his problem is.
Okay, let's find out. We'll find out tonight. Let's talk about it. I'll take.
Why don't you just tell me? Is it something illegal?
It's not something illegal,
Okay.
but it has nothing to do with the case, and it's going to be shown in court for this case. So I'm asking you to go up.
I don't see why it makes a difference.
Oh,
I'm gonna stay on as long as we got a guy in custody.
Okay.
That's our policy, right? Okay.
Well, it's all later. Let's just deal with this. So just get it
That's
back.
fine.
You gotta
So I have no
secure-
idea what the issue is. But
Okay.
we'll hash it out whenever.
I'll see if they can take, if they're willing to keep
It don't
the dog,
matter.
but
If they're not, then
Well, we can't.
It didn't
they don't-
sound like
they,
it was.
they can't. We can't leave that dog in their care.
then just
It's
take
not
it
the
to
dog.
that's what it's going to be.
yeah.
The
So
animal
we just
shelter.
take the dog,
Maybe adopt a dog line at it.
and then we got to deal with.
That's entirely up to you.
And then I'll pick him up tomorrow.
The car should be well, yeah, that is that stolen? Yeah. And then he's got a phone as well. So the vehicle is stolen, probably.
So I won't pick you up tomorrow.
So we gotta get the stolen vehicle out the system. I don't know what this vehicle is. I just saw it. Okay. So it's just narcotics. Just saying it's over there. Possibly. Okay. For sure.
So we don't have to take a car out of the system. We just have the suspect.
Let's deal with him right now. Yes.
Okay.
Well, where'd you see him?
What's that?
Where'd you see him?
Taco shop. Taco shop.
And then he was walking. This was him. I mean, we can check the area of the taco shop. If the vehicle's there, we'll grab
The
it.
vehicle's either going to be in this alley or the next alley over.
Okay.
It's a brown Toyota Tacoma.
It's coming.
You got to follow
That
him.
should be easy to spot.
You'll follow him. That's the vehicle.
Do we want to deal with the car after?
Okay. And is there a plate on there somewhere?
I couldn't find one. It was so. I'm sure if she can run it, she'll find it. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Not it.
Oh, what's up? No, that's the case number. There's no. Really? There's no.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. You see it? Cover it.
Your vehicle. It's right there. You gonna leave right
His
there?
vehicle's
She
in
already-
front of.
Yeah, she already grabbed it. So. All right, so just in case, if you get somebody killed, take back. I don't want to.
I don't want it over here either, but
They all tied up on it.
Done with the last street thing in a minute.
Okay.
I don't think they got anybody in custody on that, so they're kicking.
They're over there contacting someone
okay,
right
so
now.
they'll be able to grab this car.
Yeah, I think that's the only king. That's the only king that I got.
Detective,
Yeah.
wants contact.
I just talked to him.
On the warrant, it says he just wants contact on the boat. I'm gonna call Prince right now. I'm gonna tell him about this shit. They got some
They're gonna ask. Well, got it. Got it.
I thought they were talking the 10.
No, it's on 36.
What's up?
It's on 36.
No, because he needs someone over
Oh,
there.
that's the one I left from. for the
On
summer
36?
now. I was a block away. I was a block away, but then this came out, and I was like, oh, well, I mean,
Whatever.
I have that.
I'm done with today. Okay, we're going?
Yeah.
I'm going to follow.
So,
Okay.
But I'm right there. So let me walk traffic.
Yeah, I'll
I
get
think the guy at 10-16. That's one of